Well, let me begin with the issues raised by the Honorable Junet, Mr. Chairman. And just say one, I think sometimes our media, and we have to give it to them, are quite innovative. Sometimes how they innovate sometimes can cause you a lot of jitters. If you read the story, if you saw the headline, and you read the whole story, you could not relate the two. Because in the middle of the story, inside this, I think on page 2 or page 3 of that, that newspaper, they went ahead to say that 99.5% of all advisories given by the Office of the Attorney General have been taken and implemented. Perhaps, the chairman, if it pleases members, I could give an exit report on the performance of of that office for the 20 months and 15 days that I was in charge. So that story was not correct. That advisories were not being taken because the office gives advisories in respect to very, very many issues, international law. In fact, the office gives legal advisory opinions even to the county governments, and I cannot even remember which one was never implemented. If there was anything that may have perhaps not been implemented, could have been maybe the things that we advise ministries, because as perhaps the members will know, the Office of the Attorney General is signatory to every cabinet memo that is generated by every ministry. And on occasions, we've had to return very many memos to the various ministries, and I've had to issue a circular to all ministries telling them, because they always insist that the AGs always gives them state council to sit in the ministries. So we asked them, what are those state councils doing? Because they'll bring requests which are so raw. So maybe those are the only ones that they can, maybe somebody could say those may not have been taken, because there are some ministries, some cabinet secretaries who would always argue that they think the Office of the Attorney General is the mortuary where their proposals die. But they die, they never used to die there. We would always return the half dead and the corpses to them to go and bury in their respective ministries. So maybe only to that extent. Otherwise, I must say, I've had a very, very exciting period at the State Law Office.